So in order for us to start now, we need to go VS Code website, code.visualstudio.com. If you go there now, you'll feel download VS Code here. Or if you just go click for this side here, if you want download different versions. But because I did Windows, it will show Windows. Maybe if you did Mac, it will show you Mac OS, or if you did Linux, Ubuntu, and so forth, it will show you this one. So make sure say you download the stable version, not the insider version, the stable version. So you will download that one. After you download them, you will come install them. Just like any other installation, you go install them. As you don't finish, you can open up VS Code. Me, I don't already install them. Then I no need to show now how to install them. But it's as easy as anything. Just click download and install, and you're good to go. Make we open our Visual Studio Code. Okay, now I don't enter VS Code. Inside this VS Code now, what will they see? Now here you go fit dey write your code, you go fit dey edit your code, you go even fit dey compile your code, dey test your code, everything wey you want to do with your code. Now here you go dey do am. But if you want to preview am or you want to see am for browser in action, now there you go dey go the browser. So make I open this browser for this side and make I open the code editor for this side. Okay. So for this side now, what we dey see? We dey see the file explorer. Now here we go to see all the files for our website where we need or where we dey make safe. Now here we go to see them. Here now for control, source control or GitHub. I go explain them as time goes on. As you be beginner, right? You know go if it dey too confusing and I no want confuse you. So make I know to fast forward for this one. Make we keep them. Then extensions. We go need go the extensions so that we go install plugins. Plugins just be like your browser extensions, like all those ones where they here. I dey use Grammarly and ad blocker for all those things. Now so this one self be get your own. So they extend the way the code editor go to work. You dey extend the behavior and you go to make and they work very nice. Like things when no follow them come, you go to add to them. Also, if you search for here, if you use and they search your code for anything, if you search the whole code file for anything where you find, then if you run the debugger, if you debug your code and all those things, if you also create account where we say you go get your own account and your own settings, you go to follow you, they go, and of course, if you manage change the settings, how you want me to do them and all that. So first, make we install some very important plugins where go help make when we dey write code, it go make our life better. You know, go make it too hard. It go help us to do some kind things. So since we dey use VS Code, only you where they use VS Code. If you dey use Sublime no be free, and if because na free, you go to see this pop up once in a while. And the process to do this, I want to talk. It get wahala, like, but it's possible. It's very easy also, but it get wahala. It's not as easy as this one. So make we go to the VS Code. Then the first extension we go need now live server. So make it type live server. Okay, you go make sure say you type live server. So make I say server, and this live server now this one here by this person. Retweak day. Nobody want by Microsoft or no go use any of all these other ones. Only use these ones. Now this one we go click. So make I open them here. Alright. Now this one we go use. So me I don't already install them. So you go install them. This one go to help us they reload our site. It go to help us they reload this website when we they test our code. So we not go to press refresh every time they click refresh. Don't worry, you're going to see the advantage soon. Then another thing you're going to need now prettier. So make we spell them. So now this prettier now, when we don't open them, like I open them here, this one go to help us they arrange our code. It go to make our code they fine for our eyes. So that we go feel they read them, so we go feel they understand how what is our code they do, and our eyes no go they tonton us all the time. Then I'm waiting this thing they do. They help us they format our code, they make our code they sit well, make it look fine like this P. So make we go back inside here. Okay, so now before we go even start to the right code, where we go even save our code first? The first thing we're going to do now to open the place where you want to save the file. For I they use Windows, so you fit open the file explorer. Make I open my own for here. And inside this file explorer, you can create the folder where you want to put your file with the column directory also. Now this directory, now here you want to save all your code for your website or for your application or your software. Now there you go save them. Now just for folder we go make. So we make folder for here. Make I just create new folder. If you just click this side here, go create us new folder for here. Then we go call them, we go give our folder a name. So make we give them name like say my website, right? All right. As we don't create this my website folder, you can carry them inside this VS Code. So we go drag them, you click, hold them on, never release your click or left click. Then we go drag them, drop them inside here. As you don't drop them, it will come open for here. You'll see I'm say my website they here for inside the site. Now everything, every code where we go to write, every file where we go to create, it go to show here, but it go to save for inside here. This is our website folder. So make we test them as they go.